G'day! In today's video I'm having a quick look at a Game & Watch. This one was dropped in and they said it wasn't really working properly. First dilemma I had though was I didn't have any batteries for it. So I've got some that should be compatible, not quite the right ones, the right voltage, but they're wrong size. So it says it wants a LR43 or an SR43. I've got AG12s in here, which are slightly thinner, not quite as tall batteries, I believe, but they should do the job, hopefully. No, getting a whole lot of nothing. Looking at it, it has been used before. Should have pressed game 1, game 2, it should start. Getting a whole lot of nothing. Get these batteries off at the side. This has been opened before because there is 2 screws missing. No. Funnily enough, the back cover contains a speaker. Really not much else there. Really, the front of the screen does look like it's been affected by heat. So I don't know if it's been turned on and cooked or what the go was there. Now, I don't know how this is going to look. Huh. Very simplistic. To me, that's very distorted. Surely that's the backlight. There's the PCB. One of the layers. I think we're not even getting that. I do like how low tech it is though. That's cool. Spin it around, put it back to there. Yeah, it wasn't multimeter. Go from there to there, -3. So I've got the batteries upside down. We've got nothing there. It's telling me to put positive up. Flip this over. Yeah, it's saying negative down, positive up. So I did have it the right way. I don't think there's any other toggle for on or off. Nah, nothing going on there at all. It is very simplistic, but yeah, it's beyond my knowledge base, sadly. This will be left unrepaired. Anyway, it's inside a Game & Watch. Pretty cool. Bye.